Have you ever looked at a satellite image of the Forbidden City, Angkor Wat, or even Teotihuacan and thought, wait a minute, that looks like a circuit board? From a bird's eye view, you see these intricate grids, nodes, and pathways all laid out with stunning symmetry. It's almost like they were designed to channel or balance some kind of energy. Today, we're going to explore this fascinating idea. Are these ancient marvels actually giant, energetic circuit boards made of stone? Let's start with the Forbidden City in Beijing. Built in the early 1400s, it wasn't just slapped together to look impressive. It was a masterpiece of Feng Shui, which literally translates to wine water. This ancient art is all about harmonizing human environments with a natural flow of energy, or qi. The entire city is built on a precise north-south axis, designed to channel this cosmic energy directly through the heart of the palace. Every courtyard, every hall, follows specific mathematical ratios that control the flow of movement, air, and even sound. The Emperor's throne wasn't just a fancy chair. It was placed at the absolute energetic center, the very pivot point between heaven and earth. For the ancient Chinese, this wasn't just about good vibes. It was a form of energetic engineering, using buildings to resonate with the forces of the universe. Now, let's zoom out and look at this energy circuit idea. When you see these sacred sites from above, the parallels to a schematic diagram are uncanny. The main avenues act like pathways for a current. The large open courtyards could be seen as capacitors, storing up energy. The gates and doorways function like resistors or filters, controlling the flow. And the central temples or pagodas, they're like amplifiers, concentrating and broadcasting that energy. This isn't just a random coincidence. It's what you might call analogical engineering. While we use microchips to guide electrons, the ancients used monumental geometry to guide what they understood as qi, prana, or life force. The principle is the same, only the scale and the medium have changed. We use silicon. They used stone. This concept isn't unique to China either. It's a pattern we see across cultures. In ancient Egypt, the pyramids and temples were built to channel Ka, or life force, through stone. In India, the principles of Vastu Shastra were used to design places like Angkor Wat, which are essentially giant cosmic energy grids laid out on the earth. In Mesoamerica, Teotihuacan was conceived as a literal circuit for divine energy. Even European cathedrals, with their sacred geometry, were designed to use light and sound to create resonant fields for prayer. It is clear that civilizations worldwide saw their sacred sites as physical maps of an invisible energy world, the ancient equivalent of an electromagnetic circuit board, built for life force conductivity. So, how does this connect to our modern world? Think about a microchip. It's a highly ordered field of pathways designed to manage energy. Conductive lines channel the flow, gates regulate the current, and precise timing controls the power. Sacred sites perform a similar function, just on a macro scale instead of silicon traces. They use natural energy lines in the earth, like ley lines and underground rivers. Instead of transistors, they use stone, metal, and water as conductors and capacitors. And instead of a pulsed electrical current, they use rituals, processions, chanting, and ringing bells to activate and direct the energy. The ancients didn't have silicon chips, but they, just like modern engineers, understood that geometry is the universal language of energy. At its core, Feng Shui is the art of arranging physical form to harmonize with this invisible energetic field. Where a modern microchip is designed to move electrons, a structure built with Feng Shui is designed to move qi, the animating breath of the cosmos. This is why so many of these ancient sites are built on top of geomagnetic anomalies, water tables, or the intersections of ley lines. They were tapping into the Earth's natural energy grid. You could even call it a form of quantum architecture, designed to bring human consciousness and the environment into a state of perfect coherence. So, the next time you see the Forbidden City or another ancient wonder, don't just see a collection of old buildings. See it for what it truly is, an energetic blueprint a cosmic circuit board written in stone, designed to harmonize the human world with the heavens. It's a beautiful testament to the idea that whether we express it in silicon or in stone, the fundamental principles of energy and harmony are timeless. Thanks so much for exploring this with me today. If you enjoyed this journey into ancient engineering, please hit the like and subscribe for more deep dives.